How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. It's great to be back, and what's even better, as I arrived home, I found my YouTube play button on the doorstep. Now, I haven't been in this seat for 5 weeks, and things feel a little bit strange. I don't have everything set up perfectly like I normally do. For example, I put away this mic over here, and I gotta put it back. So let me use this right now over here. Okay, now my good mic is on. This is the Heil PR40, if you guys are interested which model it is. I also have a robe on because this is just what I wear around the house. However, I want to show you guys this t-shirt over here. This is the Honey Badger Infinite Vacation, the official t-shirt of this channel. There is nothing on the back. After getting it and touching it, it is pretty soft, and I thank you for the people that ordered this t-shirt or sweatshirt. Brand new over here is Snorlax from Japan and a gift from Jin. Now I came back to 3 pieces of mail here. I'm kind of excited to know what's inside as well as what's inside this play button. I sort of know this is the silver play button. Now what is a silver play button? It's an award YouTube gives you when you reach a certain subscriber milestone. 100,000 you get a silver play button, 1 million you get a gold play button, 10 million, you get a diamond play button. Now they used to give monetary rewards of about $500 to B&H Photo or something, and I think they canceled this about 5 years ago. So you no longer get a monetary reward. Now the only thing you get is this framed play button thing, and you get to write your own name. It used to be color. Now I already know that it's not color, it's just white on clear glass. And it's a shame. I really like the red play button on the glass print. Well, you take what you can get. So what else do you get for over 100,000 subscribers? Over 10,000 subscribers, you can start to access all the YouTube spaces. There's one in LA. I just went to the one in Tokyo. There's one in New York, I believe. And there's, you know, a couple others around the world. So now finally, you see me. I'm not fully recovered or prepared yet, but I'm going to open this anyway. Yes! It's in a plastic bag. Slide this open. Okay, nothing underneath here. A letter. The foam thing. I can, oh my gosh. Foam thing over here. Another foam thing, nothing. I kind of like to know what's behind everything just in case there's like something stuck somewhere. And I figure people want to know this as well. That's why whenever you see me do unboxings, I always like take everything out and check the bottom of the box as well. It's just a thing for me. Okay, let's take it out of the bag. Oh my goodness, the silver play button part, I imagined it being a bit smaller. I thought it was gonna be like maybe 2/3 the size, yeah, like something like this. So, you know, opening this and seeing how big it is, I didn't really have a mental gauge of how big it is in real life. I know this is really small compared to the gold button. The gold button, I think it's like something like this big from here to here. But seeing this, you know, being surprised a little bit that it's a little bit bigger is like a nice surprise. Right here, you get to tell them what you exactly want them to say. I wanted Beat the Bush without any spacing. I want to be beat with the T capitalized, with the B capitalized, so you can name all this yourself when you order this thing. And then at the bottom over here, it says, congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you, subscribers, and especially all the early on ones, all the ones before 100, all the ones before 1,000, all the ones before 10,000, and including all the one that got me to 100,000. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Over in the back, it's kind of like suede over here, I guess. Oh my gosh. What do I have to say about this? I would not think it ever being possible. I remember when I first started this channel, I earned my first 10 cents. I got really excited. Okay, subscribers, I don't think I can talk too much about the journey to get to 100,000. So I think I need to put this down because, or else you're just gonna watch this really sad review of this silver play button thing. I'm gonna put this down. Okay, something less emotional over here. I'm just gonna read this letter that YouTube sent. There's a lot of unboxing videos on silver play buttons, and I basically think they say the same thing, but I'm gonna read this anyway, so we all know what's on here. Here it is, just so that you can read it yourself, but I'm gonna read it for you. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Like I said before, at the current rate of increase of this channel, I'm not talking about a constant rate. The current rate of increase, if you project it out, it looks like this channel would hit 1 million. I hate to jinx myself or assume that it will, but my best estimate is probably 2.5 to 3 years from now. That's my best guess. Will it do that? Will my content taper off? Maybe I'll just keep on doing vlogs and people will hate it or something. Maybe it will just kind of die down and it's not gonna accelerate to 1 million, but I sure hope so. And for reference, you can't really pull this finance thing away from me because this is just who I am. I always find out about new tips and tricks, and then I'm like, oh, I should make a video and share it. So the content generation on these finance things is just based on my personality. So this is really how it works. It's not really going to veer too far away from these finance videos that I originally had. So right now, let me move on to opening these letters. There's no return address. Hey Beat the Bush, I've been a longtime fan of your channel and love all of your videos. I'm just starting to realize the importance of money as I am pretty young myself. I have been trying to live as frugally as I can while cutting away all the luxuries that I don't need. Whenever I want to buy something that I don't need, I would remind myself of what you would do. I'm trying to save the majority of my income and have also opened a Roth IRA account in order to live comfortably later in life. Keep up the good work. Longtime fan of yours. No name, no nothing, but I appreciate the note. Thank you so much. Here is a second letter over here by Mickey. I'm not gonna say the last name. Here is a paper note thing. Wow, what is this? What the heck? I'm sort of confused by this because this is a photocopy of 2 pieces of paper and there's a lot of scribble writing on it. You can sort of make out some of the stuff in there. So I can't really read this to you and I don't understand it. I'll have to put this away. The last one seems like a card. No return address or name. This looks great because it's a car that says retired on here. I wonder if this person is retired. Really cool card. Hi Beat the Bush, Francis. I watch your channel almost daily and love the practice lessons you share with the world that is missing in our public education system. Ignore the hates and trolls and retire again and again as many times as you want because your knowledge is a public service to the world. Now that more time is yours again, come visit Vancouver, Canada sometime for awesome Chinese food to financial independence level 10 and beyond. It's time to have the time of your life. Congratulations from financialorchid.com, the blog. Thank you for this card. Now I do appreciate a legible card where I actually understand what it's saying. And Vancouver wise, I've actually never been there and I am looking to visit one day. I am not too sure what I should look for there. What kind of good things should I be looking for in Vancouver? So thanks for opening up the silver play button with me, opening up some letters and stuff. If you're interested in supporting my channel, check out my Audible link down in the video description below where you can get a free audiobook. There's a Patreon over here if you're interested in supporting my channel directly. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I'm looking at this letter right now and it says very few YouTube creators accomplish 100,000 subscribers. In fact, I think about 60 to 80,000 channels have over 100,000. So in a sense, this is a pretty large worldwide population. So I wouldn't say, 60 to 80,000 channels or a few. So there are plenty out there that have silver play buttons actually.